At the point when Satoshi Nakamoto conceptualized digital money Bitcoin in the year 2008, he generally didn't know the really extreme changes it would bring to the economy concerning moderateness, manageability, and unwavering quality. No big surprise, soon in 2017, the Bitcoin fork essentially was planned as Bitcoin Gold. Later on, a name generally was given to show the force of the computerized resource contrasted with gold, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This ad-libbed variant of Bitcoin added convention basically has done encourage genuinely great to the in every way that really matters. Whole manageability of the digital money, giving it lifespan and by and large greater openness in a genuinely enormous manner. Let us in every practical sense examine the fundamentally current subtleties of Bitcoin Gold and truly grasp the Bitcoin Gold cost expectation for the future, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitcoin Gold, the geology inside, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Gold sort of plans to go about as a bond for the fiat and computerized existence, where the trust element of the majority in a real sense assumes an urgent part in the organization's development in an extremely significant way. Assessing the benefits of Bitcoin being a hard fork of its parent Bitcoin. The extremely local token, sort of more affectionately called Bitcoin Gold, incorporates a superior exhibition-situated conveyed personality framework, disseminated information trade, and cooperation and circulated methodology conventions, or so they thought. It mixes isolated networks, disseminated confirmation, and combined a flexible and a real sense wind of modules that for the most part are confined to explicit enterprises, or so they by and large thought. Thus, it explicitly arose as a future Goliath which delivers a perfect and most dependable biological system, an exceptionally varied joining of a blockchain calculation framework, as well as supported as a powerful stage for applications across industry and across all contraptions. And all the while, it cultivated distributed trust, consequently emphasizing a change, making a profoundly cooperative and client-cordial connection point in view of especially profound learning for people in general, as well as kind of confidential on the lookout, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Gold, the past period, or so they basically thought, since its beginning. Bitcoin Gold truly has been contending especially hard and certainly solid against its opponent cryptographic forms of money in an unpretentious manner. More than once in the year 2020, it had seen the most elevated heightening and cost to $25 for a sort of single BTG. Yet, this pattern didn't absolute keep going, commonly lengthy, and basically saw a tumble to $10, a sort of typical in an especially large manner. Constantly of November 2020, BTG coin cost arrived at a lower $8, yet shockingly pandemic especially appeared to be not to influence Bitcoin Gold by and large. Running against the norm, it showed an out-and-out various development in a kind of significant manner. In June 2020, the Bitcoin Gold cost basically proceeded to generally have a vertical swing contacting around $13. In any case, going by the specialized examination of the BTG USD exchanging diagram, the digital currency Bitcoin Gold really has shown colossal kind of potential and is reliably performing and recuperating the lost energy notwithstanding the pandemic over the for the most part last year amazingly. BTG's cost today shows a truly slight cost rectification with truly impressive help around $70, or so they most certainly thought. In any case, in the event that we essentially take a gander at the value pattern of Bitcoin Gold from the kind of last fundamentally couple of weeks, it reflects a seriously bullish example helped by an in every practical sense solid development in spite of the unfavorable market patterns in an exceptionally large manner, while a portion of the cryptographic money sites basically accomplish in every practical sense normal specialized examination of exchanging of BTG on a genuinely safe point to foresee. Others for the most part make a cost conjecture in light of a more reasonable and hopeful pattern. The different Bitcoin Gold cost expectations generally are beneath Bitcoin Gold estimate. The coin cost certainly is really anticipated to in a real sense arrive at above $57.23 toward the finish of 2024, which especially is very huge. The normal greatest cost generally is $71.54. Least cost $48.65 in an unobtrusive way. The Bitcoin Gold cost expectation for the year's end really is $57.23 according to the exchanging monster's Bitcoin Gold figure, which explicitly is very huge. The crypto BTG generally has a sort of promising future, or so they truly thought. The cost may in every way that really matters get possibly affected, yet bulls will commonly be back, and by 2026, Bitcoin Gold cost might skyrocket to $94.28, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Bitcoin Gold estimate is truly sure as the cost will check nearly reach $352.98 toward the genuinely next 5 years end. Today, the Bitcoin Gold cost explicitly remains at $45.44, and the resource certainly has a kind of transcending market cap of $797,043,524.07 with a flowing stockpile of 17,513,924 BTG. In every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking, the voluminous market cap itself is an extremely extraordinary indication of the token's really splendid future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Gold in a real sense holds a chance of an upsurge in the forthcoming days amazingly. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2022. In the event that Bitcoin Gold holds a bullish cost pattern this year, it could fundamentally precede the upturn for 2022, which for the most part is very huge. The BTG USD might exchange around the $63.22 cost mark according to the hopeful cost forecast, which is very critical. Before the year's over 2022 that could reach to $64.02. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2023 in a truly significant manner, with by and large solid essentials, in every way that really matters. More in all things considered, more financial backers in a real sense purchase Bitcoin Gold around the finish of 2022. The forecast especially shows that the cost of Bitcoin Gold may just explicitly add up dramatically and basically coordinate its blockchain on a lot of uses, which is very huge. The mass reception will bring about a rise in Bitcoin Gold cost toward the finish of 2023, taking it to the typical cost of $66.67, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Gold Value Forecast 2024, or so they really thought. Despite the fact that specialists expect Bitcoin Gold costs scaling a pinnacle of $86.30, with really various improvements on innovation, it would be more secure to wager this cash around $89.47 to procure critical benefit throughout the following not very many years in a very significant manner. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2025 in an essentially significant manner. It in a real sense is exceptionally difficult to by and large foresee in the event that the Bitcoin Gold group will really add any remarkable elements till 2025. The really possible development of in every practical sense, by and large crypto space in the exceptionally next quite a long while may for the most part influence BTG. And it might in every practical sense cross the worth of $90 minus $110 toward 2025 incredibly zen. Really take a look at here are kind of other digital money forecasts incredibly. Bitcoin Gold Value Expectation 2026, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. As per cost investigation by specialists, shockingly, the year 2026 may turntable for Bitcoin Gold value and would sort of significantly accelerate the genuine business applications on Bitcoin Gold. Or so they fundamentally thought. By karma, it might try and cross the cost of $92 before the year's over 2026, alongside the sort of generally speaking crypto market pattern. Is BTG a very wise interest in 2022, or so they by and large thought? Is it extremely savvy to generally purchase Bitcoin Gold in a kind of significant manner? Indeed, as indicated by our BTG cost forecast, the Bitcoin Gold cost for the most part will increment further, and the sort of current cost is supposed to ascend to $64.02, beating the outline and could in a real sense become the pick and decision of crypto financial backers.